Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of installation failed on the application of X-Twitter. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about X-Twitter and we click here. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone, and if it's not working with you then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by liking